Hey, this is Zach with PRP, here today to show you our double clutch bag. The bag features heavy-duty rubberized zippers and is designed to fit 2 razor clutches, either the primary or the secondary. We designed this bag to be able to fit 2 UTV clutches, either the primary or the secondary, depending on your model. Each bag is made with our durable Cordura material and is designed with thick foam padding that on the one hand provides the structure for the weight of both clutches and protects it when the clutches are bouncing around in the bag or on the trails. Other features we included with this bag is a removable partition if you want to open it up or have different kind of items you want to throw in there. And we also have a mesh pocket up here for holding tools, extra sockets, things like that, as well as a specific little pocket here for the clutch bolt. On the outside, we featured a ton of different MOLLE handles and straps all around the bag. So it makes it really easy to grab it, pull it, carry it around with you, and it makes it really easy to tie down the bag to your vehicle if you want to take these spare clutches with you. Head over to prpseats.com and grab one today.